it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. Today we did a fall look. Fall is the best time of the year. The best time of the year. Even though my favorite season is winter because I like the snow and cold and the shitty weather, fall is perfect. It is beautiful. The colors are beautiful. The makeup gets beautiful. The fashion gets awesome. Oh, I love it. So this is a super easy to get fall bronzy smoky eye. We paired it with a berry dark vampy lip. You don't have to do the dark lip. You can definitely pair it with a nude and you're good to go. All of the products I used today will be listed down below. My Instagram and a few other videos from my channel that I think you guys might like will also be linked down there. And my 200 subscriber giveaway video. I know, I'm so excited. I'm so dramatic today. So I'm going to stop talking and rambling and let's go on and get into the video, guys. All right, so we're gonna prime our eyes. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. Why do they have to make that name so long? In real time, it's been like a week since I've filmed or talked to you guys. It feels so crazy. Just letting you know. Okay, so now that we're primed and son of a bitch and ready to go. By the way, how do we feel about this lighting? I normally have my overhead light on and I have it turned off. It feels really weird, but I mean, it's whatever. So I want to do like a very bronzy fall look. Does that make sense? So we're going in with the Profusion Mattes palette to start off with, and I'm going to throw it around apparently. And I'm going to start off with Adventurous, which is just this tan shade. And I'm just going to buff this into my crease. If you wanted to, you could use a bronzy colored eyeliner or like creamy pencil, cream shadow, you know what I'm trying to say, to create a darker canvas instead of white. But I like using my white. Okay, white, if you block out your eyes with white like I do to prime, that's just going to not necessarily lighten your eyeshadows, but it's gonna brighten them and make them look more poppin'. Does that make sense? I don't know why I started that eye. We all know we gotta do one eye at a time over here or my video will be 4 hours long. And I am extending this quite a bit out. I'm doing it again. Okay, we're gonna pause on the eye I'm working on right now after I get done working on it, if that made any sense whatsoever. And I really want this shape to be pretty rounded. As I work my way up toward my brow bone and outward, I'm using less and less pressure on my brush and holding it closer to the end. I'm gonna go in with this shade out of the James Charles palette. I'll have all of the products I use listed down below with their actual names, but I'm a dunce and I lost my insert, so I gotta look it up online, which is annoying as it sounds. So I'm going to plop this on my outer corner and blend it upward into my crease. So I really want this to be dark and, you know, So what I'm gonna do is I'm dipping into my Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette, which is like, I don't know if you can tell, it's like full on trashed from Halloween videos, but I'm gonna go in with Back Rolls, which is just this matte chocolatey deep brown. And I'm gonna add this to my outer corner and into the crease, but focusing on that outer edge a little bit. I'm trying really hard not to talk like 24/7 because the majority, I want to say 30 out of the 31 videos I uploaded during October for my Halloween series, which if you had not checked out, you should. I have a playlist on my channel. They were all pretty much voiceovers and like sped up because Halloween makeup, like my normal makeup takes me a minute, but Halloween makeup, like, it takes a very long time. So I always sped it up and cut it down. I think the longest video was my talk through video and it was like 20 minutes long. So I'm trying really hard not to talk so much now that I know I'm not, you know, gonna be doing a voiceover. So I'm just really deepening this whole area. Alright, so now that we have our eyes darkened and smoked out very well, we're going to cut our crease with the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. I want to start like a counter or something for how many times I say this during a video. Anyway, I'm going to cut my crease very quickly. I'm not going to cut a full crease. I'm just going to go about halfway out. And yeah, we'll be right back.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends.
Okay, so we're back. Our creases are cut, girl. Are they even? Not even a little bit, but it's okay. We're moving on, guys. So now I am going to add the bronzy copperness that I am wanting, and for that I'm going into the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette, and I'm going to take the shade Girrrrl. It's the bronze. So we are just going to go in dry at first. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. That's dry. That's dry. This brush is completely dry. There's no spray on it. I can literally feel the powder hitting my face from fallout, but we prepared for this. It's fine. The only thing I put on my face before I do my eyes, when I do eyes first, is my primer. And mostly that's because my skin sucks. Like, I have horrific skin. I've never had good skin. And I tried to fill in my pores and blur a little bit. It don't work, but you can try. So I'm just going to pack this on until I'm pretty content with it and filling in all those spaces where we have the concealer. And like I said, my cut creases are never even. They never stop at the same level. You just want to make sure you get the top rounded out and, you know, the same shape going, and then we can fix the edges, okay? So I'm going to repeat this on the other eye and, you know, we'll be back. I'm just going to go in with Back Rolls again, which was that super dark brown. And we are going to go over the edge and even out where we done fucked up. And then I'm using this two-sided brush that comes in Anastasia palettes. I'm packing it on with the shader side, and then I'm just barely pulling away with the blender side. And I'm also going to darken up the top a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so this is gorgeous. You could slap some liner and some lashes on and be done right here. But I'm extra and I wanna darken a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with Beast from Anastasia palette, which is the black. And I'm taking just a little bit, I'm loading up my brush, tapping out excess, and I'm tapping it on my towel to get off like as much product as possible. Or you could just not overload your brush. You have options. And I'm building my crease up a little bit and darkening this outer area. I know I literally just got done saying I don't want this to be a super warm toned look, but I need just a little something. So I'm gonna go in with Boss Angeles out of this Jeffree Star Morphe palette and just a tiny little bit on a clean crease brush. And I'm just gonna run that on the outer edge of the eye. And you can see all that's doing is adding a little more warmth. Okay, so as you can see, the fallout is pretty serious down here, so watch yourself with that. I am going to hop off of here very quickly and do my face makeup and throw on some brows, and then we'll be back. Alright guys, so we are back. Our face is on. I feel a ton better. Is it just me, or does your eyes never look right until you have the rest of your face on? That's like my biggest problem with doing my eyes first. So let's finish out this look. I did not bring my stuff back. Excuse me. So to finish off the eyes, we're going to do our lower lash line, and I'm going to start with Boss Angeles, which is that warm shade we added right along the edge of our crease color to warm it up. And because we already have our face makeup on now, you want to be careful. So I'm just taking this on a pencil brush and running it right underneath my eyeball, lower lash line. And now we're going to jump back into this palette, and I'm going to take on the same brush. I'm taking a little bit of back rolls and adding that about halfway through. Continuing with this smudginess. Finally to add, hold up, y'all. I spend like 30 minutes a day trying to make my face symmetrical because it is not. That's for a whole nother video though. And to finish off the lower lash line, I'm taking the black and just on the very outer corner, just gonna add a little bit of black to add a little bit of depth, a little bit of drama. Yeah, no. So now that the eyeshadows are done, we're going to tight line our eyes. I'm using the NYX retractable eye pencil in black. Obviously, I'm doing top and bottom. So yeah, get that going. Now that we have our eyes tight lined, I'm going to quickly add a wing with the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. Dear Lord, that's like my 8th time trying to say that. I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes off camera as well. I'm using the Essence False Lashes Mascara, and these are my all-time favorite lashes of my life. They're my favorite ones I've ever used. I couldn't find them for a really long time, and I found them. Yeah, these are going to be included in the giveaway. Well, not this one. You guys will get a pair in the giveaway. These are the Kiss Ritzy lashes. They're beautiful. They're my favorite lashes. So we're going to go put on a wing and our lashes, and then we'll be back to complete the look, guys. Alright guys, so we are back. I definitely stabbed myself in the eye. It is watering and irritated. I'm going to give it a minute, but while we're giving it a minute, are these lashes not gorgeous? Okay, they're my all-time favorite lashes that I have ever used in my entire life. So while my eye is recuperating, I'm going to go ahead and throw on my lip. You can do a nude and be done, and this is way more wearable, but girl, fall. It is autumn, okay? It is time for bold lips, dark eyes. It's just, it's my favorite time of the year. So I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and this is the shade Video Vixen. It is a red, but it is super dark and almost looks brown. It's like a berry shade. Oh, I love it. Yeah. My lips are hella uneven, so I have to go in with a brush to get my outline, and then I fill it in with the liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna do that off camera because it literally takes me a very long time, like 20 minutes. And we are gonna be back to pop on our eye highlights and do our little outro, and we're done with the video, guys. A lip just pulls shit together, okay? I'm so weird. I will sit here for 30 minutes trying to make my lips even. They never are. So for our eye highlights, because girl, we got to have a little bit of a glow, I am going to run that with blue. This is the Wet n Wild Pacman palette, and this is like a super pale, glittery, beautiful shade. And we are gonna pop that on our inner corner and under our brow bone. Y'all, look at that already. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see, you know, more shit like this. We're doing a giveaway. I'll link the giveaway video down below. It's for my 200 subscriber mark, and y'all, when I'm filming this, we are already almost halfway to 300. I think I'm at like 240 something. What? How are we going so fast, guys? I love it. My mirror. Has my mirror been in this frame all video? I hope not, y'all. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Once again, if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye.